Pirana idat ni mo Kuya Yuki. 36. I was born in 1986.
20?
Unsa Japanese bahog ilok.
Waki gakusai.
Wakigakusai. Pagupit na Yuki. Pagupit na ikaw. Pagupit na ikaw.
Guwapo mo gunang taas
O, waray kwarta?
Guwapo taas buhok mo.
Yuki, kaila ka ni Manny Pacquiao. I know him, but I haven't seen in person yet. I know he's legend. Pirana mo ka tuig sa imong wife ko. I'm not uncle. Call me Kuya. Kuya Yuki, kung gamiton ba ang PHK sa nawag, matawag na ba ang nagamit ana og nawag bilat? Nawag bilat.
What is that?
What's this gesture? Nawag bilat. Tanong sa balik dili sa Kuya next year. Kuya Yuki, nganong dili man ka magsulat o kaon sa noodles? Because I'm performing for Filipino. That's embarrassing. Recently I don't do that because that's embarrassing for me. With Japanese friends or co-workers, that's not embarrassing, of course. Mukaon ka og sinigang Kuya Yuki. I don't like sinigang actually. Di ko ganahan sinigang, that's too sour. Unsay sawa sa bisaya? Sulog kaayo sinigang. Kuya Yuki, nganong Nippon mang ilang tawag sa Japan? Nippon? Because Japan is from Jippon, and Jippon is from Nippon. So people in Japan call the country Nippon or Nihon. The word Japan is from Nippon or Nihon. Nippon is Japan and Nihon is Japan. Nippon or Nihon, those are the same. Technically, Nippon is more official, but in NHK TV broadcast, the country name is Nippon. Kuya Yuki, nganong lamian mo sa nato? Mae, nganong lamian mo sa bagon? Biscuit, baho kayo bagon. Uy, that's feed for fish. Can't eat. Smile Kuya Yuki para makita imo Nippon. Nippon. Kuya, unsay lami sa nato? Wala pa ko katila. Tastes like saliva, nose water, and sticky saliva, and delicious.
Nice.
Kuya Yuki, nganong grapa kayo ko? Maybe because you've been washing your face with pH care. So good. Nindot mo puyo sa Japan ya. Living in Japan is convenient and comfortable for me. Okay. Salamat sa pagtang sa Con Live. It's so fun to talk to you guys. Salamat. Maraming salamat. See you next time. Bye-bye. See you next time. Great day. Amping permi. Peace niyawa. Bye-bye. Korera magabahog na wong.